Humanity has harnessed the powers of nature to improve the quality of life. There is a company that has improved the connection of human being and nature while more than 30 years by technology. DUON System is continuously putting all its efforts to conduct better life and more wonderful technology. DUON System was established in 1989, and it has connected humans and technology amidst various industrial backgrounds. The brand Autrol smart transmitter is the first developed in Korea by DUON System. Crosses the boundaries of industrial infrastructures such as petrochemicals, nuclear, complex thermal plants, both domestically and globally, and performs the important function of raising efficiency based on stability in various industrial fields in eco-friendly hydrogen, LNG, fuel cell plants, and etc. Based on the unique technology of the DUON system, the standard and proof measurements methods are applied to the brand Autrol series for improved performance. The members of DUON System are working hard to improve the efficiency of the entire industry, with the belief that our quality and technology can increase the reliability and safety of the industry through a sedulous inspection process in all processes and international quality program. DUON System has been achieving a variety of certifications based on industry and country while developing the Autrol brand products. DUON System maintains the highest levels of quality assurance program for Autrol smart transmitter, improving reliability and safety with the international certificates and standards. With its efforts, Autrol smart transmitter has been exported to about 32 countries, allowing DUON to leap forward as a global firm in comprehensive measurement devices. Now, DUON moves forwards into the future. The DUON member solidarity and responsible attitude have led to accurate communication, becoming the values of DUON System. And with the belief of improving valuable technological development for human life, DUON and its members will continue to take on valuable challenges. DUON System plays a pioneering role in the unchallenged intelligent transmitter market. DUON takes the lead in active R&D and investment in human resources for better solutions suitable for green energy, fuel cells, and hydrogen environments. We will continue the valuable challenge of coexisting in harmony with the environment, people, and technology. We measure your treasure, high quality, better safety.